Baby, show me where. Where? Where's that? This is a fly bothering you? Okay, sorry. Where is that? Mommy will help you. Why, you cannot find it anymore? It's too high? Oh, I see. There? Here, right? Oh, you will fall down. So, don't worry, you will hunt. Okay? You can do it. I know. I know, baby, I know. Mommy know it. Mommy's son is the hero. Right? Here. Here. You don't see? Here, baby. Oh. You will find out. Yeah, it will come back to you. Yeah, just wait. Be patient, okay? Be patient, okay, Jay?